Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie. This is part 2 of an unboxing of my Simon Says stamp product. So I'll give you a bit of a background. I did part 1. It's linked in the card up on the top right corner. And I had mentioned that I had some outstanding Simon orders. So this is the remaining Simon orders I'm probably going to get this month. Then I have one more that I placed at the end of December. So I don't expect that really until closer to the end of the month or possibly even the beginning of February. So let's get into it. So with these orders, it should just be some remaining Valentine's Day stuff, which is really exciting because then I can get started on all my Valentine's Day cards. Okay, let's see what we got here. Also, these are great. In case you have never ordered from Simon, they usually include a $5 off coupon, which for me makes the shipping like $2.99 US, so that's nice. Okay, so this is the center picture window card. I needed this because of this cuteness. It's the center picture window card heart add-on, which goes into the center here, and it just makes a really cute pop-up card. So I mean, it's not a difficult card to do, which is why I haven't purchased this die set yet. But and you know, we'll get into that in a different video. But there's a lot of dies that I have that just help with assembly of these kinds of cute pop-up cards. And it is just because of the efficiency of it, but I'm certainly capable of making them from scratch. So I am planning, probably in the new year, to do some videos where I compare the two different methods, and we'll go from there. Okay, so some more scripty dies. This one is Hugs and Happy. So in my previous video, I did get the birthday one, so this is really exciting because I'll be able to do a happy birthday. And I'm hoping to do a few simpler cards. So for example, doing a few cards where I have just a really pretty background, maybe with foiling on it, and then including these scripty word dies to round it out. Okay, so that's it for that one. You just figure out how to open this other package. They're a little bit more compact than the other ones, so it's not readily apparent where I'm able to cut and rip into the packaging. Okay, get another one of those. And here we go, because we all know I love Kathy Zilski product. So this is from CZ Design. It's the Love You die, and it's got the cute little outline as well. Just gonna open it up real quick and we can take a look. And it's just the perfect little size, so you can put it on your A2 size card. I've got a card here, so you can see that it fits just perfectly right there in any orientation that you want. Okay, stick this back in. Moving on. Oh, these are fun. Okay, so this is the Simon branded nested heart dies. I love making shaker cards, and apparently you guys really love to watch me make shaker cards. So I thought it would be fun to do a Valentine's Day shaker card that includes some heart nested dies. Okay, and then these are the last two things, because I can never have enough happy birthday product. I've mentioned this before. I make happy birthday cards a lot. So, oh, this one's cute. I like the size. It's going to be a little bit smaller, but also kind of perfect because then I can kind of put it off to the side. So if I have any little critters or anything like that, it works out. Okay, set that off to the side. And then this one looked fun. It is the Heart Sprinkle Trail. I think this is a die, if I remember right. You'll have to pardon me because a lot of these orders I placed well over a month ago, so I don't always remember exactly what I ordered. Oh, it is a die. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you guys, we can do so much with this. Can you imagine cutting this out with like a red background in the back out of just white cardstock? Oh, that'd be super cute. Okay, we have ideas. That's good. All right, so that's it. I am wondering if I want to do another unboxing when I get the other shipment from Simon Says Stamp. If I choose not to, then I will publish this by itself. And if I choose to, then I will include that in this video after this part. So if you are not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button if you like what you like. And of course, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I do publish a new video every Thursday. That is my commitment to you guys this year. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye, guys. Hello, hello. So my other package from Simon came. So let's take a look to see what's inside. All right. I ordered a few goodies. Oh, excellent. New code. So I've got RAWRSOME, which is going to be awesome because I have a lot of children in my life. And they have birthdays. And they all love dinosaurs for some reason. Then I got Claire's ABCs from Fawn, which is going to be awesome. I have a really hard time judging how big these sets are in terms of how big the letters are, so I thought that I would get a couple and gauge from there. And then this is Harold's ABCs. I do ultimately think that I will get all of them. I really like these sets because they have multiples of the commonly used letters, which is really nice. I don't remember right off the top of my head if the rest of the Fawn sets do that, but these ones for sure do, and that was one of the reasons why I got them. All right, then I have this gorgeous, my favorite things, stencil. I think it's called Ray of Light is what it's called. It's really pretty. I'm really excited because I keep seeing these beautiful like underwater scenes that people do, and then they have like the ray of light, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to play with some of that. And then, oh, this is the wood grain block from Simon. I saw this, I think this is part of their new release, and I just thought it would be a lot of fun. Oh, this will work great. Just to put a little bit of wood grain into whatever project you're working on. Because who doesn't like wood grain? I love wood grain. I think it's really cute and it adds a lot. Okay, then there's the tiny tag saying birthday. I made a bunch of gift tags for Christmas, and I really liked how they turned out. Pardon my husband's alarm clock if you can hear in the background. And I wanted to get something like this to be able to make additional gift tags. All right, then there's the striped plaid stencil trio from Waffle Flower, because I love plaid so much. It's a problem. And I like this one because you can make them in several different ways, and I think you can make them so like sideways, so if you've got a card you could go like this instead of this way. I'm not sure if that makes any sense. And so I'm really looking forward to playing with this. I also really like the size. It looks like I'll be able to use it on a slim line. Let's take a look. Yeah, that'll be good for a slimline card too, so that's awesome. All right, and then last but not least, I got this stencil from My Favorite Things, and this one is called Candy Stripes. And I primarily got this stencil because as you know, I'm getting a little bit more into hot foiling, and I thought it would be fun to do just simple backgrounds and do a bunch of backgrounds and do some hot foiling with a simple stencil such as this one. And when I do stencil, I would probably leave out this big stripe and just ink blend that, and then do the 3 little stripes, and even like mask off so I could do multiple colors. I think that would look really, really cute, and I think this stencil is perfect for that, and it lends itself to that. So, all right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this January unboxing part 2. And as I mentioned in part 1, all of these, as I use them, I'm going to link back. And the next video, I've already shot 2 videos that link back to the Lawn Fawn products that I got in the part 1 of the unboxing. So keep an eye out for that. And I've actually laid out, I think it was 16 projects. So I've got lots to show you guys. And hopefully I get through all of it. But I'm kind of trying to be strategic because there's only so many Valentine's Day cards you can do. So I'm hoping that it'll lend itself to like birthday cards and stuff. So I can work on my birthday stash because we all need one of those, right? All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.